What's up guys, Quackduck here. Today I'll be playing Build a Boat for Treasure on Roblox. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm joining the server. And let's see. Okay, the volume is turned down. I didn't play this in a long time. I don't know how many materials I have, but let's see how far I can get. Let's see. Not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna build a platform, how big I can. This here, this here, this here, this here, this here. I wanna put the wood in the middle because I think it's not that resistant. Like for example these rocks. I'm gonna put them more in the front. No, that's too, yeah, like this. Okay. Okay. I'm almost done with this. Wait. What? Wait. That was in the ground. Okay, this is better. And I'm gonna put this here in the front. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna put this because why not? More protection, right? Okay. Look, I have two of these. Okay, that's it. So, a chair. Okay. A motor. And I want to put a flag because why not? Good. Let me hop in. And are you sure you want to launch your boat? Yes. Ooh, we're driving. Oh, I'm at the top. I have never been at the top. I always needed to like take a turn to like enter the river. Okay, dodge the rocks. I didn't put the motor in the center. Now it's kinda the boat is not going straight, and that's not so good if you ask me. Okay, I'm doing pretty good. Oh no. Okay. Whoop. I'm doing good so far. Let's see how far I can get. Oh. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. This is all. No. Okay. No. My flag. Where's my flag? No. This is all going down. Oh no. My outfit skin. Okay. That saved me. Are we going in the right direction? No, we are not. What's happened? No, okay. I lost all control. And my chair is almost falling. But okay. Okay, there's a guy. And I died. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna claim. Oh, 32 gold. Nice. Okay, now menu, let's see. I'm gonna buy a rare chest. Let's see if I can get good things. Yeah, pretty good if you ask me. Okay, now that I have more materials, I can build something better. Okay, not. I'm gonna do like this now, because why not? Now okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but looks pretty good to me. Okay, and now I'm just like, yeah, okay, pretty good so far. Looks good, looks good. If you have like suggestions to make like I don't know how to say it. Tips, yeah, tips for me for build a boat. Like, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna put chests. Maybe they'll protect me. I don't know. I don't know what are these chests for, but I'm just gonna put them. I hope they are not special, but I don't think I'll lose them. I don't know, tell me in the comments what are the chests for, because I really don't know. But let's continue. The edge of the boat looks weird, but oh, I have one more sand left. I don't have any more blocks, right? Maybe I can use this as blocks. Yeah, this door, maybe. I don't know, I'm using everything I can. These torches. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I hope this time the motor is in the middle, so I'll go straight. Let's see. Okay, the chests are not sticking to the boat. At least that one did. And that part of the boat is weak. But I hope it survives. Okay. Yeah, English isn't my first language, so for some words I don't really some words, yeah, sometimes I can't really talk, like, yeah, I have to think a lot for saying something. I mean, sometimes I forget words, yeah. But I think I speak pretty good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Okay, let's see if I make it farther this time. Okay, I'm already hitting things. Nice. Very nice. Okay, this part is where I died last time. but I'm doing better than last time right now, so I think I'll go further. Yep, I'll go further. Good. This level is easier. I don't know. What are those? What? Knives, karate, oh my god. Okay, I survived. Oh my god. Can I make it to the end? Oh my. The objects that are getting thrown. Thrown? Okay. Oh, these obstacles that the game is throwing at me, they're getting more and more hard. Oh, okay. What was that? What? Yeah, okay, I don't have control of the boat anymore and I don't have a seat anymore. Let's see if I can make it further than this world. That will really surprise me if I make it past this world. Oh. Actually, okay, I don't have a chance. I almost did it past this world, but yeah. Let's see how gold. Oh, 64 gold. That's actually pretty good. But yeah, I think this video is getting pretty long. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to show even more support, you can donate to me on yeah, this is my name. Look. No. The first person here. Yeah. That's my name. And yeah, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and bye bye.